In case of drawing the Brighton honeycomb design, the repeat number would be the multiple of 4. That is, we have taken a repeat of 20 into 20 is also a multiple of 4, and we can take different repeat like this: 16 into 60, 16, 12 into 12. All of these are multiple of 4. The first task would be to make a diagonal line from the repeat we have taken. From the left corner, lower left corner, we would make a diagonal line like this. Then from the left upper side of the left corner, we should avoid the most corner point, and we should make two diagonal line. One is from the right side of the most corner, and other is from the left side of the most corner. If I draw a box of the repeat, then our design would be like this. This is the first diagonal line, and this is the most corner, and the second and third diagonal line from these two. The most corner point would be the avoided. Then our task is to divide the repeat. If we take the repeat of 20 into 20, then we divide it by 2. If we take the repeat of 16 into 16, then we should divide it by 2. Whether the repeat we take, we should divide it by 2, and after dividing we get a result, and that we should subtract 1 from the result. If suppose we can take 16 into 16, then we should divide it by 2. The result would be 8, and we should subtract 1 from 8, then the result would be 7. And in case of 20, as we have taken a repeat of 20 into 20, we have divided it by 2. The result is 10, and we have subtract 1, and the ultimate result is 9. And now our task is to make the pyramid, and the pyramid we should take 9 to make the pyramid. The first step is, from the left side we should mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9 number warp, and we should avoid the first one, and then we should do the up in all. So far 9. Then you should make the pyramid. The pyramid is like this. So you should make the diagonal from the last corner. So that is the pyramid, and we should then do the up in rest of the boxes. So the pyramid would be like this. Okay, this is the first step we have completed. The second step is that we should do the thing in the upper portion, and in the upper portion this is the first. Then we should write nine. The first one is up, then we should write the all of the repeat, all of the number, and we should make the diagonal line. As from the left side there is already a diagonal line, and we should make diagonal line from the right side. So there is the height of our pyramid. So if we make so, then it would be so much visible that that's the pyramid. Then we would up all of the boxes which are free. And the third step is that we also numbering it from here. So the third step is little bit different. In the first step we keep empty the second box, and in the third step, from the diagonal line to the last number 9, we should keep free all of the boxes except the 9. We should fill up the last boxes, and from the right side we should fill up 9 also. This is the 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 9. So this is the total box, total 9 repeat. And what is the middle of that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4. This fifth number up is the middle. So if we want to make 9 from up and below, then we should up 4 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the upper 1, 2, 3, 4. So our diagonal line would be the head of the diagonal line here, this one, here this one, and here this one. Then we should make the diagonal like this. Fill up the rest. We make so, then it would be so much similar like the pyramid. We have done the half of our task, and we should do the same task alternately in the second half. See, we have done this task in the with this diagonal line, so we should do the same task with this diagonal line here. So this was in the horizontal way, so we should put the same principle in the horizontal way, so in this portion. So here the numbering was 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 9. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What we did, we keep free the second box. Here we also keep free the second box, and we should number the rest of the boxes. Then we should make the diagonal line like this, what we did in the first portion. How we have understood. Secondly, what we did with this diagonal line, we made 9 steps in the horizontal way, so we should make with this diagonal line in the horizontal way in the same way. So this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we should do the up in all of the boxes, and we'll make the diagonal. So this would be the pyramid. Okay, and the third step was with this, from this diagonal line we moved and keep all of the boxes free except the last box. So we should do the same thing with the same diagonal line. We should keep free all of the boxes, and we should make up in the last boxes, and we should do the up 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4, this is the middle point, and we should do up in the rest of the 4 1 2 3 4. So that would be the 2 3 4. So we should repeat the all of the boxes, and the pyramid would be like this. Hope you have understood the whole of the fact.